Okay, folks, now some new information of 5.28 just a couple weeks ago. There's new distortion control data version 2.009 that is slightly different than installing the firmware. What it will do is after you download the distortion control, this is for the Nikon D7100, it will download a little application. Okay, you're going to go into your download folder, you're going to open up the program. Okay, and it'll be just like installing a new application on your computer. It'll ask you what language to select. Okay, I'm going to go English. And you want me sure you want to install this program. Yes, you go through all of that just like you're installing a regular application. And it will put a folder on your computer over here. It says Nikon. It'll be on your desktop, and then it'll have a folder called Legal. All sorts of legal BS, and then there'll be a folder called NKLD02009.bin, and that is what you're updating. You have a formatted memory card that I've taken out of my Nikon. Make sure your Nikon camera is off. You formatted the card, you brought it over to your computer, you open up your card. Okay, let's get the downloads folder off of here. You open up the Nikon folder that it installed on your desktop of your computer, and you will drag that folder into the root directory of your Nikon SD card, which you already have that NKLD02009.bin file. Okay, let me eject all this nonsense and eject the Nikon card. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here to my Nikon D7100 and remember what we are doing. Turn my camera on. Remember, you don't want to disrupt this once it's going on. Bring up my menu. It's asking for my firmware version. Okay, and now it's asking if I want to update. Update, yes. Now, update the lens data stored in the camera. Current version is 1.009 to version 2.009. Okay, remember you've downloaded the correct thing for your Nikon D7100. Okay, I am going to select yes. I want to change it from 1.009 to 2.009, which was released 5/28/2015, which was what, about 20 days ago. Okay, let's select yes. And unlike the firmware, that was extremely fast. And let's turn the camera off. Okay, it told me to. Okay, not while it's updating, but only when it tells you to turn the camera off. I'm going to turn the camera back on. Go to menu, firmware version. Now C is firmware. L is for your distortion control for your lens. And so C and L, I just updated from 1.009 to 2.009. Okay, I'm done with that. Okay, now don't forget to format your memory card. And remember, also stick it in slot 1. Okay, don't yank out card 2 and expect it to update that. Stick it in your primary card, or wherever you have your camera directed to as the primary slot. Just take out card 1. Remember, format it first, take it over to your computer. Now the distortion control data, remember, it installs like an application, like you're installing Word or some little application. I'll put a folder on your desktop, you're dragging a different bin file into there for updating that. So now I'm going to format my memory card and I'll wipe all that trash off of there. Reconfirm again, yes, my firmware and my lens distortion control data are now both updated. Happy, happy, happy. And thanks folks for watching. Catch you later.